The 7 best ChatGPT hacks that I've currently learned that can be a game changer in terms of your user experience. I know what everyone's feeling right now. They're extremely overwhelmed with the amount of plugins, the amount of tips or tricks everyone's promoting there. So I did all the due diligence and I came across these 7 hacks that are going to be the best for your user experience on ChatGPT. The first one, and where you need to start off, is doing the web chat plugin. This gives ChatGPT access to the internet so you can stay this gives ChatGPT access to the internet so it can pull information from there and use current world events in order to provide you a better experience. With that plugin, it's going to have the ability to scan Google and provide you more logical answers based off of current information. I know this was a major complaint early on with ChatGPT that it was only trained on 2001 and older, but now with having this web chat plugin, that completely solves that problem for you. The next hack is going to be getting ChatGPT 4. I know it is not the free version and you're going to have to pay for it, but the use of all these plugins and everything on the beta feature brings massive value to ChatGPT, just elevating the experience even more. The next plugin that I want to talk about is the Zillow plugin. So for me personally, being in the real estate business, this is a massive help for anyone from the consumer side or even a real estate professional that's just looking to gather market data. You're able to go into Zillow and you can research current listings and have it do an investor performa on you on which ones it deems are potentially undervalued and where you potentially can have an upside. That's how mind-blowing and crazy this could be. You could search specific homes for sale in a neighborhood and then say, hey, I want to find a home that if I put $50,000 of renovations into that property, I want to have a $100,000 upside. And it would pull all the data from that neighborhood, give you a list of properties that are potentially undervalued or ones that are distressed, that if you put $50,000 into it, would be able to resell for $100,000. That's the absolute insane functions that all these AI models are doing, and we're early on in the stage, so you need to learn how to use these now because they're just going to keep evolving and getting better. And for the people that are still super confused, overwhelmed with what are the best AI tools out there, well, I'll help you out. Go to my Instagram, russellmortlock.realestate, and send me a DM saying AI tools, and I'll provide you a list of what the best current AI tools are out there and what ones I'm using. The next one's for all the people that are wanting to get into a fitness routine and just hate talking about their fitness with people and just don't like to share that information. Potentially they might not want to share how much they weigh or what they're currently eating, or every single time they go and have a blizzard from Dairy Queen, they feel like they get fat shamed. Well, don't worry, there is a plugin that you can use in order to eliminate that whole experience. I don't know if you're going to get the same accountability that a personal trainer or someone holding you accountable is going to do, but you can now create personal workout plans given all your body metrics and what goals you want to achieve with the World Cup generator. So if you're someone that doesn't like that whole interactive approach of dealing with someone in person or online that's holding you accountable, and you would like ChatGPT to be your workout friend, this plugin's for you. The next one is really useful for me in the real estate game. It's called the ChatGPT summary of YouTube. So for me, I love training my team on sales, and I always go to YouTube to find other sales training metrics outside of the real estate market and teaching my agents and teaching people on how they can bring this and incorporate in it. So say I love a Alex Hormozy video on him speaking fire on how to get more sales. I'm able to use this YouTube summary plugin, get the main 20 points from that, and then I can just put it into a script for ChatGPT. So then when I talk to my team, I'm able to explain it way faster and way quicker. And this plugin works seamlessly with ChatGPT. So then I'm able to make a script for my next meeting on how I want to develop a better sales training process using something that I found from Alex Hormozy on YouTube. And the best part is then I can even go in there, and because it's so interactive, I can say, hey, apply these principles to real estate, and it'll give me exactly what's pertaining to my industry. The next plugin that's super valuable for people that are producing a lot of information or wanting to give people more a visual representation of data that they're collecting is going to be the Show Me the Diagram plugin. So with this plugin, you're going to be able to give ChatGPT prompts and it'll spit you out diagrams that you can use for your presentation. I personally use this to develop an investor performa where we're analyzing a property so we could go raise some money to purchase the property. We put all this stuff, we put all the prompts and all the information into ChatGPT and then use this plugin where it spit out really great diagrams and visuals for people to see how long their amortization is, what their return on investment is going to be at year 8 compared to year 10 and the difference in the graphs there. So this was a real game changer. Instead of me having to design all this stuff in Canva or hire a designer or get those copy and paste images from certain other slideshows like Microsoft PowerPoint that just don't quite fit what you're trying to do, these ones make customizable exactly for your numbers. The next one, and this might be most important for people that want to protect their VPN and maybe in certain areas they're restricted to not using ChatGPT. This is going to be the VPN plugin. So this will allow you to access information in any part of the world where it may be banned in certain countries. ChatGPT you're not allowed to use. Plus, you're going to be able to protect your VPN and have your data secure. People, they really need to understand that AI is here and it's going to stay, and you need to be on the leading edge of knowing how to use these tools because they're just going to evolve. And personally, I've seen such a massive return in terms of efficiency and money back to me from using these tools that I have to share it with everyone else. So if you want to learn more about AI, hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with what I'm personally doing in my business to evolve it using AI tools. But if you want to take it a next step, go to my Instagram, DM me AI tools at russellmortlock.realestate, and I'll provide you a PDF copy of the best AI tools that I've found for my business.